Alright, we woke up. I haven't done one of these in a minute, but we are doing Osaka. This is our second day in Osaka. We're heading to the castle. See if it's good as the other ones. Alright. That looks like the entrance. Alright. We were down there. There we are. Castle over there. I don't know what this building is. Looks like a hotel. Yeah, it looks like a hotel shop kind of thing. There it is. Can we get closer? Sure thing. Oh yeah. Alright. More stairs. If you can see the line, we skipped a hell of a lot of the line. I'm so thankful I got the path. Sheesh. Let's go. Man, not gonna lie to you, Osaka Castle was a bit disappointing, eh? Compared to the other castles I went to, like in Himeji and Matsuyama. I don't know, it felt more like a museum inside than a castle. This was pretty much it, just tight corridors on each floor, very overcrowded. So yeah, not the best introduction to castles if you ask me, but still cool. Oh no, this is a good feels like it's a bit too modernized inside. Definitely recommend Himeji or something. Look, pretty looking castle though. Right. Off home. But yeah, we're done. Let's go. That's pretty cool. That's sick. Alright. So we came here for some Melonpan. This is what we got. I don't know where these guys are. Gotta find the rest of these guys. They went to animate to it. Yeah, we're in Osaka's downtown. Oh, easy. Yep, that's off the street of the main area, right? Super character shop, toys. Probably my favorite shop. Alright, we're in Osaka, around near Orange Street. But I seem to always come up to these places. Nikau. So we're in Orange Street. We desperately looked for a toilet, but we ended up finding dinner. Last night in Osaka, and we're gonna hope batting cage. Let's go. We're just waiting for the bro Moses before we go in. Chill out and smack some shit. So yeah, let's go. This is a quick sneaky view of the city.